I want to do a quick compare and contrast between Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Okay, those are three prominent Chase credit cards that I'm really compare and contrast today. Okay, so here's a prologue I want you to think about. First of all, I want to show you what those cards actually look like. So I'm first showing you on the screen right now the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Then I'm showing you the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And then I'm showing you the Chase Sapphire Reserve, okay? So basically, the Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and Chase Sapphire Reserve, they all offer rich rewards and valuable perks and protections. But the similarities, they really ain't there, okay? Because each card offers a different annual fee, rewards, structure, and accompanying perks. So which one is right for you will depend on your needs, of course, but also the kind of profile that you have. So let me first talk to you about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. In terms of, let me first talk about the annual fees. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited has no fees. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card has a $95 annual fee. And the Chase Sapphire Reserve has a $550 as annual fee. In terms of rewards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited has a 4.5% cashback on dining, including takeout and eligible delivery service. 4.5% cashback on drugstore purchases, 6.5% on travel purchase through Chase Travel, 5% cashback on Lyft purchases, and 3% cashback on all eligible purchases on up to $20,000 spent in the first year. So what about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card? You have 5x points on travel purchase through Chase Travel, 5x points on Lyft rides. You have a 5x points. You have a Peloton equipment and accessory purchases, 2x points on travel purchases, 3x points on dining, 3x points on online grocery purchases, and 3x points on select streaming services, and 1x points on other purchases. What about the Chase Sapphire Reserve? Well, here you have a 5x points on flights through Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. You have 10x points on hotels and car rentals when you purchase travel through Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. You have 10x points on Lyft rides, 10x points on Peloton equipment and accessory purchases, 3x points on other travel worldwide after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually, 10x points total points on Chase dining purchases with Chase Travel, and you have 3x points on dining at restaurants, including eligible delivery services, okay, takeout and dining out. Now let's talk about the welcome offer here. So I want to first talk about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So here you have an additional 1.5% on everything you buy. Let's say in the first year, worth up to a $300 cashback. In terms of welcome offer, you have 60,000 bonus points, and this is for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. 60,000 bonus points after you spend 4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. And for the Reserve, you have 60,000 bonus points after you spent 4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. And so that's really good. In terms of perks, you have more perks with the Chase Freedom Unlimited. You have complimentary 3 months Dash Pass membership. After that, you are automatically enrolled in a Dash Pass at 50% off for the next 9 months. And for the Preferred, you have a complimentary Dash Pass for a minimum of 1 year. And for the Reserve, you have a $300 annual travel credit. You also have a lounge access for you and up to 2 guests through a Priority Pass Select membership. You have access to a Chase Sapphire lounges, so that's really good, okay? And so this is really good from a flexibility point of view. In terms of additional benefits, only the Reserve has a 2-year Lyft Pink All Access membership when you activate within the next 6 months. And by the way, for the Reserve, you also have a 1-year complimentary Instacart Plus membership. Plus, you can earn up to $15 in statement credit every single month. That's really good. For protections and insurances, you have more with a Reserve. Like you have a zero liability protection on the Unlimited, purchase protection, extended warranty protection, trip cancellation or interruption insurance, secondary auto rental, collision damage waiver. So that's really good. But if you go to the let's say to the preferred, you have a trip cancellation or interruption insurance, primary auto rental, collision damage waiver, baggage delay insurance, trip delay reimbursement, protection, purchase protection, and also you have extended warranty protection. And with the reserve, you have way more. You have primary auto rental, collision damage waiver, trip cancellation or interruption insurance, trip delay reimbursement, travel accident insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, emergency evacuation and transportation, roadside assistance, emergency medical and dental benefits, purchase protection, return protection, and extended warranty protection. So you have more flexibility there. So let me really give you a little bit about the details here. When you think about, first of all, I want to talk about the annual fee. So I want to really go a little deeper here. So basically, when you think about the Chase Freedom Unlimited, this is actually the most affordable card of the three. Okay, if your focus is only on the annual fee, basically you have $0. There's no fee with the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So despite the card's low annual fee, as a card holder, you can actually earn a generous welcome bonus. You can get solid cashback rewards, and you can receive a handful of useful protections and insurances. I think I told you this before, so that's kind of cool. And while the Freedom Unlimited is a cashback card, the $95 annual fee Sapphire Preferred is actually designed for travelers, because what happens here is that you are able to earn ultimate rewards points, so you can use this to book travel or transfer to partners. And the cool thing about this card, the Sapphire Preferred, is that the card actually comes with travel-specific protections and earns a redemption value when points are redeemed for travel through the Chase travel portal. Okay, so this is important to really keep in mind. And one thing I also want to say is that the most expensive card when it comes to annual fee, the most expensive card of the three is the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and this card actually carries a $550 annual fee. And Sapphire Reserve cardholders get elite perks, that's for sure. I mean, at that price, you get a lot of elite perks. You have statement credits, and you also have a plethora of protections and insurances for the price. Okay, so the card is best for you if you plan to take advantage of all the card has to offer, because maybe for you or your family, or for instance. So based on the annual fees alone, the Chase Freedom Unlimited stands out as the clear winner here. So the winner in this category when it comes to annual fee, basically you are thinking about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Now let's talk about the welcome offer here. So when it comes to welcome offer, basically when you sign up, let's say for a new card, whether it is a Chase card or a Bank of America card or a Truist card or a PNC card, a welcome bonus can actually help you supercharge your rewards potential. Okay, so what happens here is that when you think about the welcome offer with the Freedom Unlimited, you earn an additional 1.5% on everything you buy, but there is a cap. There is a limit, so this is actually up to $20,000 spent in the first year, and this is actually worth up to $300 cashback. So that's kind of cool. So both the Sapphire Preferred and Sapphire Reserve cards carry higher annual fees than the Freedom Unlimited, but also come with higher welcome offers. So with the Sapphire Preferred, you actually earn 60,000 bonus points after you spend 4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. So remember this interval. So you are speaking about the first 3 months, okay? Plus, when preferred cardholders redeem their points for travel through the Chase travel portal, the cool thing is that their points are worth 25% more. So 60,000 points will be worth $750. Now, though the Sapphire Reserve and Sapphire Preferred welcome offers look the same at face value, Sapphire Reserve cardholders get an additional like an additional set of points, and they have this boost when they redeem everything through the Chase portal. So you want to redeem things through the Chase portal. So what happens here is that where the Sapphire Preferred earns an impressive 25% boost in value, the Sapphire Reserve earns a meaty 50% boost. Currently, Sapphire Reserve cardholders earn 60,000 bonus points after they spend 4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. That's really $900 toward travel when you redeem through a Chase Travel. So because of the 50% boosted redemption value, as a cardholders, you actually are better off because the Chase Sapphire Reserve has the edge over the Sapphire Preferred and Freedom Unlimited cards in this category. So the winner here is the Chase Sapphire Reserve when it comes to a welcome offer. So let me talk to you about earning rewards. So when you think about earning rewards, basically what should you be thinking about? Well, while some credit cards boast amazing perks and protections, some cards offer rich rewards, earning cardholders like you and me generous rewards rates on a vast array of spending categories. Now the question is, what kind of rewards are you interested in? What kind of rewards are your family interested in? Right? This is the kind of direction you want to go when it comes to using the card. So the Freedom Unlimited is actually one of those cards. Freedom Unlimited cardholders earn 3% cashback on all eligible purchases on up to $20,000 spent in the first year. So the cap is still there. And you also have a 3% extra on dining at restaurants and also at drug stores. Cardholders also earn additional rewards on travel booked through the Chase portal and also on Lyft rides. So that's kind of cool. Now, that's one option. If for any reason you're not interested in a cashback card, because the travel card, the Sapphire, like as a travel card, the Sapphire Preferred offers a solid rewards in various spending categories. So Sapphire Preferred cardholders earn a 3x points on dining, so that's really good. Online grocery purchases, and also select streaming services. And as a cardholder, you also earn even higher rewards rates when you earn those rates on travel booked through the Chase Travel portal, but also on Lyft rides. Plus, you also have a 2x points on travel and 1x points on all other purchases. So that's kind of cool. Lastly, Sapphire Reserve cardholders can earn higher rewards on general travel and dining booked through Chase Travel, and also on eligible Lyft and Peloton spending. So overall, the Freedom Unlimited and Sapphire Preferred offer actually rewards across the widest swath of categories, making them ideal for everyday spending. So in terms of winner here, we don't have a clear winner. We have a tie. Basically, there's a tie between Chase Sapphire Preferred and Chase Freedom Unlimited. Okay, so this is something to really think about as you make your choice. So what about benefits here? So when you think about Chase Freedom Unlimited versus Chase Sapphire Reserve versus Chase Sapphire Preferred, what kind of benefits can you expect? Well, the thing is that each of these cards actually brings different advantages to the table. For instance, the Freedom Unlimited only offers a few perks, but none are not really none are ongoing. So you will only be able to take advantage of them for a limited time. And Freedom Unlimited cardholders receive, for instance, 3-month Dash Pass and Instacart Plus memberships, which may really come in handy if you, let's say, prefer to have the convenience of at-home delivery. So that's for the Freedom Unlimited. What about the Sapphire Preferred? Well, the Sapphire Preferred offers a slightly elevated benefits from Instacart and Dash Pass of a minimum 1-year complimentary Dash Pass membership and a 6-month Instacart Plus membership. So like the Freedom Unlimited card, these benefits are not recurring, so be very careful about the non-recurring nature of the benefits. Now the Sapphire Reserve is actually really good because it takes the lead with an array of valuable benefits. they can really make it well worth the $550 annual fee for those who utilize those benefits. So the Sapphire Reserve offers, for instance, you have a priority pass select lounge access to more than 1,300 lounges globally. That's really good. Okay, so you are having that access to you. I mean, the access is open to you, but also up to 2 guests. But the enrollment, there is an enrollment required, okay? You also have a global entry or a TSA pre-check fee application, fee statement credit reimbursement, and up to $300 annual statement credit for a travel paid for with a Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So you have a constellation of possibilities there, okay? And also as a Sapphire Reserve cardholder. So what you want to do here is that you are able to enjoy a minimum 1 year complimentary Dash Pass membership. And you also have an Instacart Plus membership. Plus you also get a 2-year Lyft Pink All Access membership. So that's kind of cool, okay? So when you really think about all those possibilities, you can see that the Chase Sapphire Reserve is actually better than, when it comes to benefits, of course, right? When it comes to benefits, the Chase Sapphire Reserve is really fantastic. So basically, let's talk about protections and insurances. And this is actually an important area to think about. So while the Freedom Unlimited Sapphire Preferred and Sapphire Reserve cards share common protections, such as like you have a trip cancellation and also you have a trip cancellation and interruption insurance. You also have access to emergency assistance when away from home. The Chase actually Sapphire Reserve offers additional safeguards like travel accident insurance, so that's kind of cool. You have lost luggage reimbursement. You have baggage delay insurance. You have emergency evacuation. You have transportation coverage, roadside assistance, emergency medical and dental benefits. So that's really important. So the Sapphire Preferred card takes a middle ground, if you want to think about it, middle ground between the Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, with more travel protections than the Freedom Unlimited, but fewer overall insurances than the Reserve, okay? So the Freedom Unlimited, on the other hand, lags behind the 2 cards, lacking the extensive travel protections found in both. So from this point of view, the Chase Sapphire Reserve takes the lead for cardholders who want their bases covered when traveling, offering the most comprehensive protections of the 3 cards. So that's kind of important. So the winner here is the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So what is the selection here? So which Chase card is right for you? The thing is, it really depends upon your situation, your financial profile. Okay. So basically, though the Chase Sapphire Reserve emerges as the top choice among the 3 cards, the premium price tag may actually suit everyone's preferences or budget. So if you are looking to earn a simple cashback rewards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited may be the fitting choice. With a $0 annual fee, it really offers straightforward rewards, making it an appealing option for both for those who prefer, let's say, a streamlined approach to credit card rewards. Now, if you are seeking a travel card, you will likely find that the Sapphire Preferred is a compelling option because, think about it, for its $95 annual fee. As a cardholder, you can enjoy a solid welcome bonus, strong rewards, and enhanced redemption value when you redeem through the Chase portal, along with a slew of insurances and protections. So what's the epilogue here to this conversation? I spoke to you about Chase Freedom Unlimited versus Chase Preferred, the Preferred, and also the Reserve. So I'll give you the prologue, the details, the selection, and finally the epilogue. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.